Alright, so I'm back on SketchUp, and I did some work that I didn't record earlier um, on here, and I still have some measurements down. I probably should get rid of those. Maybe I can explode that and then get rid of these. Oh, wait, Control Z. I need that as a model actually. I'll have to. I guess I'll have to I'll have to. So I downloaded this as a model. I made it on a different thing, but I downloaded it as a model. And I realized I can actually do something here. Yeah, you can do person view. So this, and you can do, yeah, you can use this thing to look around. Yeah, that's the bed, and it actually looks pretty good. And you can select a walking tool, and then walk over onto the bed and stuff, and see if it actually, like, makes you go up. But yeah, and then you can just use the orbit tool to look around. But, and I added, like, detail to it. And yeah, that's the bed. I didn't add a sheet to it because I don't know. I didn't think of it, but I might add it like here folded up or something. Just to, I don't know, to make it look like an actual bed. And yeah, but that's not what we're here for today. Today, we're here to create, I didn't change anything, so no. We're here to create a night table, which the bed basically covers everything, but I still want a night table because it'll add more to the room. And yeah, so what I'm going to start off by doing, I'm going to do 2 by 2 because that's how big I want the leg, and we're going to extend that up. Let me think. I think 2 feet. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. It's like knee height. That's good. Then what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take this and press G to make it a component, and I'm going to call it night table foots. There you go. So now that's a component, and I can click it once and select it. And what you can do, you can press this moving thing, press Control, and then get a new one. And if you don't find it here, you can just press M. I know that also works. What I like to do, I like to put it inside. So now I have 2 of them inside of here, and you can take this from this corner, and you can push it out however far you want, because it's on that green line, so it'll be on that axis, which I don't know what axis that is, but yeah. We're gonna extend, so this is already 2 inches, so if I want this area in between to be a certain amount, I'll have to push it out this way by, let's see here. I think we're just gonna do a square, so I think we'll have it 2 feet, 2 feet and 2 for inches. And there you go. So now if you get the, I'm just gonna show you real quick. If you get the dimension tool, that'll be exactly 2 inches because we started inside of this, which was already 2 inches. So that's why I did that. Alright, and then you can just do it again. So you can just, here, let me move around. So you can just grab this, hold Control, click it, and you should have another one. Put it back inside, and yeah, you're just gonna repeat that 4 times. Alright, there you go. So now that we have our 4 rails, we're gonna make a rectangle on top of them, because that'll be our base. We can extend this, yeah, we can extend this up however far we want. Obviously, it's the top of a night table, so you don't want it to be super high. So I'll just make it 4 inches. Oh, no. I'm gonna make it 2 inches. There you go. And then what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna, oh wait, no, wrong tool. We're gonna take the extend thing, and I'm gonna push it out by 1. So now if you see under it, it has like a little bit of a, like a little bit of thickness and not just like stuck to the rail. So it looks a lot better. And just do that on every side. And you can always check from the bottom that it's 1 out and that it's all equal. Just like that. And then, so on tables, you would usually put like a rectangle here and extend it out. So if you want to make like a drawer, and start your rectangle off from this corner, and you can do it however long you want, but in the dimensions, you can put in numbers, so you can just see the only changing number is the second one. So we'll do 2 inches by, and then however far down you want it, which in this case I'll have it 4 inches down. There we go. And then I don't know why that's doing that, but then you can push it out by 2 feet, because remember the distance between the 2 rails is 4 feet. And yeah, then you can just repeat that process over and over, and just do the rectangle here. You can even connect it here like that, and then push it out 2 feet. And just do that for all of them. Push pull 2 feet. Alright. So now you have that's a super basic night table piece, right? So you can, if you really want to, just have something basic and not have like a drawer or anything, you can just have that. And that's I mean, it's a pretty good model just for barely doing any work at all. But then there are a few things you can do. So you can get that and then like start at that corner right there, and then continue it out here, and then if it's glitching out and stuff, you might want to push pull it. So if you scroll a lot, and when I mean a lot, I mean a lot, you can actually put, like right now I'm inside of the drawer, it's a hollow inside, it won't fill it if you close it from the bottom. So what you can do, you can push pull it 1, and then it will have more thickness. That's just if it's glitching. Just a little fix if it's glitching. And now you'll see it has like a little bit of change, but that's fine. We like that. Well, at least I do. And yeah, so now you can add a little knob here. Alright, so now that you have this, you can do your little thing, which for this I would recommend getting the center triangle, rectangle, which I usually I don't know how to get this other than just doing, right now you have one that starts from the corner, so you just do that, press Ctrl Z, and then you should have one in the center. I don't know. But yeah, so you can just do it however long you want. You can put in dimensions. I don't think I'm gonna, because I'm too lazy, so I'll just do that. There you go. And then you can push pull it out by, this time I'm gonna do 2 inches. So it's, oh wait, actually no, let's do 1 inch. 2 inches is way too much. 1 inch, there you go. And yeah, if you want to see how this would look as like a normal person, I guess, you can click on these feet, click this, and then click it on the ground, and then it'll automatically give you the eye tool to look around like that, and that's how big it'll be compared to the average person. Anyways, that's the basic night table complete. So yeah, if you enjoyed, learned something, anything, just leave a like, I don't know, do whatever you want. See ya.